Thanks for joining me. This Kriya is about removing blocks in the subconscious. What does that mean? That means that things that we don't even think about, we're not even hardly aware of, are there vibrationally. We're storing them. We're storing memories and experiences, and they are creating a kind of imaginary wall. And so it's hard to move forward, to connect on a deeper level, and to feel love more in its purity, and to be on that kind of heaven side. So let's get to it. We're going to remove those subconscious blocks. So be sure to be sitting in correct posture, anal point slightly locked. We're pulling our navel point back to the spine and the diaphragm up. We're allowing our shoulders to roll back and our shoulder blades to just fall comfortably on our backs, which creates an opening in our hearts and a slight little rounded area in our lumbar spine. So we're using that strength in our core, in our lower three quadrant, in our lower three chakras, which is our lower quadrant, to give us the strength to stay in these meditations for prolonged periods of time. So we're going to be practicing Kriyas. As you know, Kriyas are exercises, repeated movements with a specific breath type or pranayama that is repeated over and over again to break our computer in our brains, kind of to shift that, not break it, but shift it into a more expansive opportunity to receive what is on the outside and to be more in touch with what's on the inside. Okay, let's go. Interlace your fingers with your index fingers pointing forward, point out straight in front of you, and keep your elbows super straight. We're going to make giant circles like this. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to gaze at the third eye. Let's go. Be aware of your core. Engaging the navel point. Keeping the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth and breathing in and out through your nose naturally. This is an amazing Kriya because you are moving your underarms in a pattern that affects your nervous system. Also, because your index fingers are touching and they're at the points, the tips of the fingers, and your hands are interlocked, your fingers are interlocked. With this motion combined, it's affecting your brain chemistry. So this is how we're tapping into the subconscious. Now you're going to speed up the motion. Stay with it. You could probably start to feel the effects on your brain. You can feel a shift. And if not, that's okay too. Just keep on going because it's working on a subconscious level. It's a very powerful Kriya that's time tested for thousands of years by great masters and yogis like ourselves, yoginis and yogis, working hard to release all of our baggage, all of our memories, all the blocks that we have that keep us kind of creating the same situations over and over again that we may not love, that are not serving us, that are not allowing us to just settle more comfortably in a place of love, a place of awareness and unity. So keep going. We're going to speed up. Master. Keep going. Nice big circles. Strong core, straight spine, crown up to the heavens, up to the sky. A little faster. Good. Bring your hands directly onto your shoulders now. Left hand first onto the right shoulder, right hand onto the left shoulder. Yeah. And begin twisting left and right. I'm going to speed up. We're going to go nice and fast and go as fast as you can here. Eyes closed, gazing at the third eye, breathing naturally in and out through the nose. Using the power of your core. And come back to the center and bring your hands up, fingers in front, thumbs behind, and we're going to flap our elbows like we're flying. Eyes closed, gazing at the third eye. Go as fast as you can, like a bird. Lots of activity going on. Just releasing the energy from your spine, maintaining a strong root lock, navel point to the spine. Go, 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 fast, 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 good. And relax down. Now we're going to move our hands in circles. So we're going to go in opposite directions. It's not difficult, your hands should just do it naturally, funny enough. So we're just going to go as fast as we can here with our hands. You can go ahead and close your eyes and gaze at the third eye and just really kind of allow your wrists to go limp, so you're not needing to keep the fingers perfectly straight, but we're just moving the joints in our wrists. It's amazing how our body is so interconnected in terms of the nervous system and the brain. And our subconscious memory is very reliant on those two things. We will experience something when we're younger and it'll shock us. It can shock the way we think or feel, things we believe, and then we embody that. We tuck it down deep into our subconscious. And so through our nervous system, through our memory, through our brain, we're just bringing all of that back through, back up, back to the surface. We don't need to know what it is or what it was. But through these kriyas, it gives the body the opportunity and the energy the opportunity to release and open up again back to love, which is where we need to operate from to be successful in this lifetime. Now this next kriya can be done by itself for 31 minutes, but we're not going to do it that long. But please, when we do finish our session today, if you feel like you want to do it, go for it, because it will have amazing beneficial results. So bringing our hands up, we're going to chant Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Okay, our hands are about 6 inches away from our ears, closing the eyes, engaging the root lock, shoulders rolled back, heart center wide open on the inhale. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Now open your eyes and look down. Keep the fingers going, and then we're going to start chanting again. On the next round, sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Deep inhale. Lower your hands down to your thighs. Meditation pose. Close your eyes. Roll your eyes up to the third eye point, gazing at the third eye. Allowing the Kriya to integrate. Lots of work done today on the brain chemistry. Releasing, unlocking those vaults of memories that have been stored in the subconscious for our entire lives. Giving yourself love and gratitude and thanks for this opportunity to help yourself, to help you to experience a better life, a better way, a happier way, a more peaceful way. And open your eyes. So feel free to repeat this Kriya daily for the next 7 days until our next session. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.